It's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focused on infill lots. Today we're going to be talking about how to flip land inside of your investment account. Okay, some people call them investments accounts. Some people call them retirement accounts. We're going to talk about that today. If it's your first time here, I want to welcome you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. If you are brand new, I just want to thank you for your time and consideration. All right, without further ado, let's jump right in. The framework behind this whole thing is if you are making money flipping land, you have to then begin to store that money and then invest that money. That's what this channel is all about, teaching you how to flip land, how to make money, how to store money, and how to invest money. Okay, so if you are not making money, stay the course. Okay, stay the course. No worries. And if you can, you might want to invest in a paid course, which yours truly have for $9.97. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. But without further ado, let's talk about this framework. The first thing you want to do is you want to get what we call a self-directed IRA. The company I recommend is called American IRA. And I think the minimum you need to get set up is $750 to fund your IRA. There might be a $99 setup fee or something like that, but you want to get a self-directed IRA. And to the best of my knowledge, let me break down to you what this is. Basically, what this is similar to a 401k or investment account, but it allows you to buy assets, it allows you to lend money, but the proceeds has to go back into the retirement account or the IRA. That's the only catch to it. So this is for, when you get older, 55, I think that's the limit where you can get your money out with no penalty. But that's when you want to really, really think about, your future. You got to think about your future. I'm about to be a new dad. I'm having a baby girl here probably next month. Super, super excited. And I'm thinking about the future. So if you're not thinking about the future, I'm going to put you on game. Shameless plug. If you haven't read this book right here, The Automatic Millionaire, great book. I really, really highly recommend it. And it's definitely been a great fit for me. So if you haven't read this book, please check this book out. Readers are leaders. In order to be a leader, you got to read. You got to educate yourself. You got to change your mind. You can change your life. All right. So to get set up with this account, it's a guy named Shawn. You can either call this number or you can do it online. But you want to call this guy and tell him you want to set up an account. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did inside of my account. Here in a second, I'll flip to my account. But it breaks down everything here. What is a self-directed IRA? How to select the best IRA, whether you want to get a Roth or traditional. They have several different investments accounts, and they can definitely school you and break you down. I chose the self-directed Roth IRA. That's what I chose, okay? And if you will, once you get that all set up, then you want to fund the account. I think the minimum you can fund this account is $6,600 for the year. And basically you fund the account so that you can buy properties. And I'm going to show you a property that I bought for I think $5,000, and I was all in about $6,000. And I got it on the market, and I have multiple offers. I have multiple offers on this lot. And as you can see, it's in my name, Roth Damien D. Okay. And I got it for $5,000. Okay. So I bought this lot for $5,000. I got multiple offers at $15,000. I even got some people who want to buy this lot on terms. So the whole principle, the whole point is that you can buy properties inside of your IRA, which this is my IRA right here. As you can see, this is one property that I bought. It looks like closing costs and their, admin fees, etc. I was all in $6,171. However, when I sell this lot, do you know that the proceeds, which is $15,000, let's just say $500 for closing, $14,500 will go back into this account. And I can keep investing this money over and over and over again. The only catch is the money has to go back inside of this account. Okay. So I wanted to share that with you if you wasn't aware of how to flip land inside of your investment account, this is a great way to do it. A couple things I will share with you. You cannot sign the contract. The people at American IRA have to sign the purchase and sell agreement for you, because they are your fiduciary, or the person who's acting on your behalf. And also, when you sell, you cannot sign the contract. Your fiduciary, which is American IRA, will have to sign the contract for you. So that's just a couple things, but it's a very easy process. They ask you to fill out a little piece of paper, and you put all the information in there, and they move pretty quick. I was very satisfied with their services. Another thing you can do, if you're making money, okay? Everyone on my channel, hopefully you've been watching me for a while. Hopefully you're making some money. I pray that you make some money. So another thing you can do, and another thing that I'm learning to do, is learning how to buy assets, okay? As you can see, this is an auctioneer site. And as you can see, I'm bidding on multifamily apartments in my market, okay? So the bid right now, I want these two buildings right here, which is 2 4 units. I think one of them is renting out $500 per unit. One of them $625 per unit. But long story short, you have to make money, store money, and invest money, okay? That's the whole conclusion of the matter today. I hope you got some value add out of this. Again, I'm Damien Dupee, hyper focused on the infill lots. If you need anything, my email is in the description. It's damien@creativelandsolutions.com. If you're free this Friday, please check me out, 6 p.m. The link is in the description. I'm doing a virtual meetup, okay? Virtual meetup via Zoom. You can check the link out in the description. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this with anyone you know that will be interested in flipping vacant land.